Okay. I'm going to test the Geo-Fence firmware update 4.00, and I've set it to 25 meter range and 30 meter altitude. The 30 meter, I wanted to make sure it was higher than the 20 meters if I have to use failsafe or anything. I don't want it to try and climb and get stuck there. So the ceiling is set at 30 meters and the range is set at 25. I'm in the middle of a football field, which I believe is 50 meters across, and so it'll be 25 meters to either side should be the edge of the football field, which is marked with a white line on the edges. It should stop there, and in the length of the football field is 100 meters, so it should stop halfway to the goalposts on either side. Single blink, yep, we're good to go. Apply 25 meters straight out to the sideline, at which point it should stop. And it did. Boom, it hit the wall there. Now, I have no joystick control on the right side. On the left side, I can yaw, I can turn it back to us, I can make it climb or descend, but it's stuck against the wall. The wind is blowing this way, so one would hope it should just come back, but I still have no control. It's just sitting over there, and it's not even sitting in the spot where it hit the wall. It seems to be drifting off to the right. I can still yaw. Still got a green light. I got GPS. Nothing. That joystick is dead. I can climb. I can descend. That's fine. And yaw. But nothing. It's stuck there on the wall. If I flip to ADI mode, does that make a difference? No. Back to GPS mode? No. What if I go to failsafe? Failsafe is engaged. Failsafe will hover for a few seconds, then it'll go up to 20 meters. I set my ceiling at 30 meters, so it should be safe to go to 20. And it's coming home. Overhead, hovering overhead and descending into failsafe back to where it took off from, so failsafe seems to work. So I can cancel failsafe now and go back to GPS. And I got control. Yes. Back to control. So failsafe works, cancel failsafe, whichever. So if it's stuck on the wall, I just go to failsafe. Try it out to the side. Back up. Pointing straight ahead where we took off from that direction. I'm going to send it out to the right this time, so let's turn the camera to the right. Maybe not quite so high. Just going to go straight to the right until it hits the wall over there. Should be halfway to the goalpost, hopefully. Right about there. Boom, yeah, and it hit the wall. And where the hell's it going? It went right through the wall. It's past the goalposts. I can yaw it around. I got elevator, but I got no right stick. And it blew right past the wall there. It went past the goalpost distance, which should be well past 25 meters from midfield here. That should be more like 50 meters. It's coming back. It's coming back towards me. with no input. Oh, boom, now I got control again. So maybe there's a certain time limit you gotta wait. And my battery signal's flashing. Why is that? Well, it did come back from the side. Bizarre. Some nasty clouds coming. I got some ugly black clouds coming in the background there. They're kind of scaring me. Okay, turn the camera around. The helicopter's still facing that way, same direction it was originally, but this time we're gonna back up into the wall, which would be the edge of the field. Try it in reverse direction. That's the plan is here. So I'll just back up. Back up a little slower this time because I don't want it blowing through the wall. Back up, and it should be when it reaches the sideline of the field there. It was about there. Come on, baby. Bing, there. So now it's at the wall. And again, it's drifting off to the right. I have no stick control on the right. I can yaw it around and take a picture of the nasty black thundercloud that's coming. I can climb, I can descend, but I have no right stick control. It's still just drifting along the edge of the wall. The fence. Again, no right stick control. I'm just going to wait this one out a bit, see if there's a time it has to reset itself to or something. But it seems to be stuck in that corner there, and the wind is blowing that way, but that didn't seem to make any difference everywhere else. It always drifts to the right a bit before it hangs up. It's still just sitting there, there's no control. But if I go to failsafe, I'm hoping you can see the green flashing light on the back is still GPS mode. If I flip the failsafe mode, I got the flashing yellow saying it's in failsafe. It's starting to rain, that's great. So it's taken off, it's going up to its 20 meters and it should come back. And it's turning around to face home, which is right here in front of me, and it's coming back. And once it's overhead, it should... Why don't we just crank this camera up so you can see it? It's overhead. Hovers there for a bit before deciding to come down. It's still just hovering there. Why isn't it coming down? Here, it's coming down now. So failsafe works, and it's going to land here. But I'm going to flip my failsafe switch back off again and take manual control. Failsafe is back off, it's in GPS mode, but I have no control. Why is that? Done. Let's get out of here. It's raining. It's raining. Thunderstorm's coming. I'm bailing out.